Using a Google Play gift card on Brawl Stars is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. If you have a Google Play gift card and you want to use it to make purchases in Brawl Stars, follow the steps I'll describe. Launch the Brawl Stars application on your mobile device. Now, tap on the Shop button located at the bottom of the main menu. In the shop, scroll down and select the item or bundle you want to purchase. Then, tap on the price of the item or bundle to initiate the purchase process. If prompted, select the payment method as Google Pay. A pop-up window will appear, displaying the available payment options. Now tap on the Redeem button. After that, enter the redemption code from your Google Play gift card in the provided field. Then, tap on the Redeem button to apply the credit from the gift card to your purchase. Now review the details of your purchase and tap on the Buy or Confirm button to complete the transaction. Once the purchase is successful, the item or bundle will be added to your in-game inventory. Note that Google Play gift cards can only be used for in-app purchases in Brawl Stars. They cannot be used to buy physical goods or services outside the game.